So today we are playing the matching game.
Yep.
Snack edition.
Yeah.
Whoever wins gets something from the snack box, the treat box. And whoever loses gets to eat the gherkin dipped in salt. Are you ready?
Yep.
Right, so who's going first?
Me.
Okay, youngest first. Go on then. You've got one correct.
Okay. Right.
You've got 3 correct.
No way.
You've got 1 correct.
They're in that place.
Wait, no way.
Stop cheating.
Oh.
You've got 2 correct.
Wait.
One of them were the right place.
Wait.
You've got 2 correct.
Eh? That makes no sense.
They've got to be in the right place because they.
They have to be.
Did you spot them and there was only one left?
Yeah. Wait.
Where did I have that there?
Yeah. You had that there. Wait.
That is correct. Because you won, Peyton, you get to pick something out of this treat box.
Oh, I love my
What did you
day.
pick? Fizzy fish. Your forfeit, Sawyer, is a gherkin dipped in salt.
No. It's bitter.
So right, dip it in.
Okay.
You have to eat all of it,
Oh, wait.
the whole thing.